So to make a birdhouse today, you will just need an empty milk bottle, okay? You'll just need to clean it out, get an adult to help you, and take the plastic seal that's around the milk bottle off as well. Obviously make sure it is empty before you take it out of the fridge. Please ask an adult before emptying any food out. So you will also need an adult to put 2 holes in to help cut out the jaws, okay? If you've got any dirt on afterwards, Miss Johnson's going to clean that up after. That's inside the milk carton, you can do. So I've made my doors for the birds, okay, so that they can get into the food, which I'll place at the bottom here. I'll use this bit here to be able to hang on a branch as well, okay. And now we're going to decorate it, so you can use lots of different felt tips at home. Miss Johnson's got some here. You can make your own. I'm going to start decorating my birdhouse now. Some red circles. And try and draw some rectangles here. 2 long sides, 2 straight sides. You may have a ruler at home to make better rectangles than Miss Johnson's. It's a bit wet on here. Make sure it's nice and dry, otherwise your pens won't stick to the And then I'm going to put some bread inside here and pop it on my tree outside. I hope you've enjoyed this video today. If you make a birdhouse at home, please make sure you pop it on Tapestry so the Beeson Fields staff can like and comment on the amazing stuff that you are doing at home. See you soon. Bye.